Hi there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and I just got my paper pumpkin today. This is the Key to My Heart January 2023 paper pumpkin kit. And our ink spot is fresh freesia. And the stamps that we got are quite nice. We got a locket with a key, a little flourish, some cute little hearts, and the sentiments are, you hold the key to my heart, to my Valentine, love is the key, I love you. And there's an add-on which I do have, and I'll show you that in a bit. And then a little preview of next month, which is Sunshine and Smiles. I can hardly wait to get that one. Some gorgeous fresh freesia tissue paper. And this looks like Calypso Coral Baker's Twine. Dimensionals. And our envelopes. And it looks like they're all the same pattern, but they're the pretty key pattern with fresh freesia. And there's enough for 9 cards. And here's our card bases. Here's option 1. Ooh, look at this one here. Fresh freesia with some gold foil. And another one with some more gold foil. Very pretty. And then we have some vellum. We have circles and some banners. And our die cuts. We have some more of the lockets in different shapes and some keys. And then we have more banners. And some very large banners. And our glue dots. And here are the instructions for how to put them together. And of course you can always do them your own way, which is what I do a lot of times. And there's even a couple of other suggestions here on the back. And I also have the add-on kit, which I did open. And very simple to put together. It's got a heart on one side, and this one is labeled bottom. And then there's another, the matching top, so that's just a little bit bigger. Very easy to put together. And again, the heart, it's got adhesive on there. There's also some die cuts with the add-on where you get some banners and some keys. And I put one together, which is just basically folding and then adhering where the little strip is. So front and back is a heart shape with gold foil. And when you pop off the lid, there's a little container. And these are Gimbel's Spicy Cinnamon Hearts. Keep watching as I'll be having my alternatives. Thanks much. Bye.